Associations NYNJCTNE organized its grand 42nd India Day Parade in Manhattan, New York to commemorate India's Independence Day. This iconic event, one of the largest celebrations of Indian culture and heritage outside India, brought together hundreds of Indian Americans and enthusiasts from across the region. Well, now it's time to take a look at all these stories. The bustling streets of Manhattan in New York came alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds and emotions as the Federation of Indian Associations NYNJCTNE organized its grand 42nd India Day Parade to commemorate India's Independence Day. This iconic event, one of the largest celebrations of Indian culture and heritage outside India, brought together hundreds of Indian Americans and enthusiasts from across the region. Watch the parade march down the iconic Madison Avenue in Manhattan. The Federation of Indian Associations NYNJCTNE, the organizing body behind this grand event, has played a pivotal role in bringing the community together for over 4 decades. Their efforts in organizing the India Day Parade are a testament to their commitment to preserving and promoting Indian culture and heritage in the United States. The 42nd edition of the parade was nothing short of spectacular, featuring an impressive lineup of dignitaries, celebrities and participants. The parade was graced by the presence of Bollywood star Sonakshi Sinha, who served as the Grand Marshal along with her husband Zaheer Iqbal. Joining her were acclaimed actor Pankaj Tripathi, known for his versatile roles in Indian cinema, and Bhojpuri superstar Manoj Tiwari, who served as the guests of honor. The parade was a visual and auditory fest. With over 40 colorful floats, the event was a vivid display of India's diversity, with each float representing different states, cultures and communities. The floats, adorned with intricate decorations, traditional attire and symbols of India's rich history, told stories of a nation that has stood the test of time. At the India Day Parade, the TV Asia float was a vibrant spectacle adorned in the colors of the Indian flag, saffron, white and green. The float featured prominent Indian cultural symbols and elements reflecting the diverse heritage of India. The India Day Parade is also a reflection of its close ties between India and the United States. With the participation of local politicians, business leaders and community activists, the event underscored the contributions of the Indian American community to the socio-economic fabric of the United States. It served as a reminder of the shared values of democracy, freedom and diversity that bind the two nations together.
One feels great to be here. The excitement, the patriotic fervor that one is experiencing here on Madison Avenue in New York is something to be felt and experienced in person. Every year we see huge number of people turning out to celebrate India in United States, and that is something we see here today as well. There are floats representing different parts of India, different faiths of India, and different facets of India.
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, इतनी भीड़ है और इतना वार्म वेलकम है. नमस्ते 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 नमस्ते. जो हमें देख सुन रहे हैं उनको भी आज़ादी मुबारक. इंडिया डे परेड का दृश्य दिखाएं आप. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.
मैं टीवी एशिया के सभी दर्शकों को न्यूयॉर्क भारतीय स्वतंत्रता समारोह से जो FIA के द्वारा आयोजित है, जो डॉक्टर अविनाश जी इसके हेड हैं, उन्होंने हम सबको बुलाया गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर इस बार, और मैं पहली बार हूँ. आई एम फीलिंग सो हैप्पी. मैं 15 अगस्त को दिल्ली में था जब लाल किले से नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देश को संबोधित किया, और नरेंद्र मोदी जी का एक मैसेज लेकर के मैं यहाँ आया. सारी दुनिया के लोगों को भारत से जो प्रेम है उसकी हम कदर करते हैं. आई रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड, और भारतीय स्वतंत्रता समारोह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
So honored to be here with my fellow Indian Americans in the center part of New York to commemorate the 78th India's Independence Day celebration. Looking forward to connecting with everybody and wonderful floats all around us.
It's a proud moment to celebrate the 42nd annual India Day celebrations here. As you can see, the turnout is incredible, as we have seen, and is growing. I'm appreciative of all the community members who have supported this parade, this mega event that's growing as we progress each year. Our theme this year is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family.
Every year we all get together on 38th Street and Madison Avenue celebrating India's independence. We always have a great feeling. So many people here with the float, marching group and marching bands. It's a really good festivity, and we feel so proud as an Indian American staying in America and celebrating India's independence.
We are gathered here today as a collective group to celebrate India's independence. This is the 42nd annual Manhattan India Day Parade. So we're making history, we're making strides, and we're gathering all of our community partners and members to march and celebrate India's independence.
Well, it is one of the largest in the world. Actually, it is the largest outside of India, and we are thoroughly enjoying it. This is not my first time, this is my third time, and whenever I come here, I thoroughly enjoy, and I look forward to participating in these kind of events.
इंडिया डे परेड में सम्मिलित होकर भारत की सनातन संस्कृति अद्भुत संस्कृति है जो पूरे विश्व को कुटुंब मानती है, सभी के सुख और कल्याण की कामना करती है. हम भारत के लोग जहाँ भी रहते हैं समतावादी हैं, सबके हितों के और अधिकारों की रक्षा की बात करते हैं. हमारी एकता और हमारे वे दिव्य संस्कार यहाँ आज प्रदर्शित हो रहे हैं जो पूरे विश्व को परिवार मानते हैं.
We are here at the FIA's India Day Parade in New York City, Madison Avenue. Many people have come here to enjoy this India's Independence Day. I'm here on the float of TV Asia by Mr. H.R. Shah.
Cultural programs were also held at the Madison Avenue from E26th Street to E25th Street, displaying the cultural diversity of the motherland. The 42nd India Day Parade in Manhattan was not just a celebration of India's independence, but a powerful expression of unity, pride and cultural heritage. It was the day when the streets of Manhattan were transformed into a microcosm of India, filled with the sights, sounds and spirit of a nation that continues to inspire the world. As the sun set on this vibrant celebration, the echoes of Jai Hind resonated in the hearts of the participants, a reminder that no matter where they are in the world, India will always be home. Well, that's all for today. Please follow TV Asia on Instagram and Facebook, and if you